Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
Today, I'm going to speak about a very burning topic, that is poverty in India. I hope you are very much familiar to this word, and this is found in every part of our country. I have been living in different part of country, whether it is the northern part, western part, eastern part, or the southern part. But I have found one thing common, that is poverty. So today I am going to clear all your doubts about poverty, and I want to put some light on the major causes for the poverty. The first one is population explosion. It is a well-known fact that India is the second most populous country in the world, and it is predicted that by 2030 we are going to become the most populated country in the world. Population is a very good resource for a country until it doesn't become a human resource. It is not of use. Japan only have its human resource with it, but they are going higher and higher in the world arena. India also can do this, but due to the lack of resources and much population, we are not doing well in it. We have to increase our resources, like we have to give child education, we have to give them health facilities and other things, so that we can make our population a resource. The second reason for the major poverty in India is agriculture, is poor agriculture industry. India, after decades of independence, the farmers are dependent on rain for their harvest, for their rain, on rain for the watering of their crop, but for the irrigation. But we have to do a better in this field, because nowadays drought is common in India. Due to global warming, the rain is not now very much uniform, and in many part of the country we have less rain and sometimes there are floods. So we have to give the minimum support price to the farmer, and the loans must be kept, the loan interest must be kept low, so that they can give good investment to their crop. I hope my speech helped you to better your view about poverty, and you will play a major role to eradicate this problem. How can you do that? You can pay your income tax on time and taxes on other things honestly, so that all this money can be used properly by our Indian government.